welcome back to my channel. Why do I start it by saying hello? Good morning. It isn't even morning. Good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. So I'm gonna go ahead and bust myself out really fast. I just recorded a video doing these, and it was like a chit chat type video, and it wasn't even really a chit chat video. It was more me like just rambling on. So that's pretty much that. Hello, I'm Tabitha. I talk too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and film a tutorial on how I make those earrings. So if that's something that you're interested in, it's just a little dangle. If that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and keep watching. Holy shit. Not me losing my voice. So the things you'll need is, what are these called? Earring hooks. Not me with a big old bag. Hold on, I can't even grab two. So you just need earring hooks like this. Like this. So you got two ears, so you need two of those. And then any kind of bigger bead. I'm sure there's a way to make the earrings without using one, but it's just how I do it. And it's this bead right here, this clear one. Clear, crystally, whatever you want to call it. So I just got, oops, hold on. I got them from Hobby Lobby. They were on a string or whatever, and there was two strings, so I just got those and I put them in a jar like this. They're really pretty. And then, of course, you need your needle, you need some thread, and you need your beads of choice. Me, personally, I always do them with the fire colors right here in the middle just because I like the way it looks. It, in my opinion, makes them pop. So, on my tray right here, I already have my fire colors because I just did those earrings. And then you pick your color for, like, your main color or whatever. And for these ones, I think, what am I feeling? I think I'm gonna do these, like pearly looking white. Is it gonna focus? Now that I have everything ready, I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up differently so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I hope you guys can see. This is kind of like how I like to bead right here when I'm sitting on the couch all comfortable. So you have your needle right here, your needle. I stick it in my tray. So then you go to the end of your thread right here. You just thread it through your earring. And then I personally, hold on, I can't get my hands to work. I personally will just go ahead and take it and knot it. So I go one, and I go two, and then you pull it. I personally, so it gets tighter, will take my pliers, grab the small end, and then pull. And then not everyone does, but I grab my scissors and I'll trim it to where the little end is a little bit smaller. Hold on a second because my scissors didn't want to work. Okay. So then you just have this. So then you take your needle and your big, hold on, let me turn my light down maybe. Okay, so then your needle and then your big bead, and you'll just go through that and pull it. I stabbed myself. And then you pull it, and then I like pinch the top of the thread so then I can put, I'm trying to make it, pinch it so then I can fit the little piece, and then it'll look like this. And then I just set it down. So the size that I do is like, this is my hand, and then the actual earring itself, you know what I mean? So it's like a palm size. It's not short, but it's not long. Okay, so let me turn my light back up maybe. Ew, did you just hear my stomach? So me personally, I'll take 10 beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then push them on your string. Right now you don't have to like make it look fancy or anything. Okay, now let me switch this around. So you take, how do I do this? So you'll take 2 black, 2 red, 2 orange, 2 yellow, 2 white, and then back to yellow, 2 orange, 2 red, and then 2 black. Okay, so then it looks like this on your needle. You don't have to keep it on your needle like this if you're not comfortable with it. It's just what I do. Push that down your string. So right now you have this. So then I personally start with the biggest. So you do 30 beads, and I find it easier to do it 10 by 10. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's so like, normally I'll pick it up like this when I pick the beads up. So let me see if I can just do it here. So I got 10 on there. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push it down. So now we need 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push it down. So now, what in the world? I'm sorry, I'm watching TV. So then you'll go back to fire colors. So 2 black, 2 black, 2 red, 2 orange, really? 2 yellow, 2, come on, white, hold on a second. That's the worst part about beading is my only complaint, or when the beads break, because that's what happened earlier. Okay, so then back to yellow, and then orange, and then red, and then black. So now that you have that, you'll end it by, I gotta move my tray. You'll end it by getting 10 of the main color again. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So then you got your 10 on there. You'll pull all of your beads. So then it's like this, and it's just a super long strand. I don't know. So then I find it easier if I hold it like, I don't know if you can see. So like the earring hook is between my 2 fingers, and my thumb and my ring fingers holding the bead up there, the big bead. So then you'll go through the bottom of the big bead. Try not to stab yourself. And you'll pull and you'll want to be behind your hook, your earring hook. You go through your earring hook. Hold on a second. Okay, so you'll go through your earring hook, and then you'll go back down your bead, your big bead. Hold on a second. So through it, back down the big bead to here, and you just pull through, and then you have your first hoop, your first loop, hoop, whatever you want to call it. You don't want to pull too tight because that can make your earring be funky, but you don't want to be too loose because once again that can make your earring too funky. So then to make it easier on me, I just set it back down. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pick it up. Maybe? Okay. So like I said, this is how I hold it. So I'm going to go up my big bead and it'll go through. Hold on. Let me make sure it's focusing for you guys. And just pull. Like I said, you don't want to pull too tight. And I go like this. You'll go through your hook, your earring hook. And then once you go like that, you're going to go right back down the big bead. Make sure you don't go through any of your littler beads. And you pull, and you pull. And you got your second loop. So I'm going to go ahead and do the third loop now. Let me move you guys back so I can have my space. So now that we are done with that, bring you guys close again. Or I'll go ahead, see if I can get it better for you guys. So you'll go ahead and go through the big bead. Oops, hold on. Up like that. Pull, pull, pull. Don't pull too tight. And then you'll go through your earring hook like so. And then you'll go back down the big bead. It gets a little more difficult going back down because you don't want to go through any of your beads. That's the issue I'm dealing with right now. Hold on a second. So, there we go. It gets so full because you're doing so many loop-de-de-loops. Okay, so now, I was like, I don't know where my lighter went. So now, I just go like this. You'll snip. And then you have this little tail. I'll take my lighter. Burn. And then I just press it up into the big bead like that. And you have a dangle. Now they're not all. Okay, so they'll end up looking like this. I actually really like this. But that's what they look like. Let me try to. That's what they'll look like. I mean, they'll get messed up and not be a perfect loop like these once you're like swinging around and. Okay, so that's how you make these. Like literally it's only been probably 2 hours and I've made the 3. I'm gonna go ahead and make the other white one really fast. It's 2:27. Kyle gets out at 2:30 and when he gets home. Okay guys, so that's pretty much my video. That's my tutorial. Like I said, you can do it different ways. You don't have to do the fire colors on there. The pattern is really what you want. I just personally love the fire colors mixed into it because it's a good pop of color without being too much. But yes, that is that. I'm gonna do the dangle as well, like I do these, but not looped, dangled, obviously. I have a few other beading tutorials that I want to do as well, just because. Oh, yes, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, and go ahead and thumbs this video up if you liked it. Obviously that's what thumbsing it up is. Comment video ideas down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram because I am trying to post more on there, not only of just me but also of like my beadwork and everything. Oh, and I made a TikTok. I've only uploaded 1 video on there, but I want to get into making TikToks too just because it's fun. Finish this other earring and I will see you guys in, I don't know why I'm a hand talker. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, I hope that it's warm where you are because I'm over the snow. But yeah, so I don't know. See you guys next time.